Pace Industries has grown up over the years. They've extended the shop floor, set up countless new machine tools and workstations, while greatly expanding overall capability, all helping to open new market opportunities while earning a particularly high reputation for consistent quality.
We are a magnesium die caster. We manufacture tooling, we cast magnesium parts, and then we machine magnesium parts. So I'm responsible for the tooling area. So what we do in the tooling area is we build prototypes out of billet. We also build the die cast dies out of hardened steel, and we build machine fixtures and inspection fixtures. So it's my job to oversee the tooling in the tooling area, and the CNC and the Mastercam programmers.
For over 30 years, Pace Industries has relied upon Prototech to provide superior technical support and professional training to gain the most out of their CAM software of choice. At Pace Industries, they use Mastercam.
We have customers like Articat, Polaris, Milwaukee Electric, DeWalt. Medtronic demands very high tolerances, a lot like the power tools.
At Pace Industries, utilizing premium CAM software fits perfectly inside that pursuit.
Yeah, so all of my programming associates, they've either went to or will be going to Prototech Engineering for training. The training is outstanding there. They're all instructed from me to get a hold of Prototech whenever they've got an issue. Prototech is always there for us. They pick up the phone every time we call. If need be, they will come out. They'll do whatever it takes to get us up and running. So that's what makes us beneficial for our customer, is getting their parts on time, and Prototech certainly supports us in that.
Over the years, Mastercam continues to expand capability, keeping pace with the growth of this manufacturing powerhouse located in Maple Lake, Minnesota.
The way I see Mastercam is it helps us in so many ways. It lets us create prototypes. It lets us create die cast dies. It lets us create machine fixtures. It lets us create inspection fixtures. Once those parts are in production, those parts all get programmed with Mastercam as well. So we are that one-stop shop where a customer can come to us, their concept, and we can bring them to the path of final part, and Mastercam supports us all the way through it.
Prototech is the regional company that is responsible for the sales, live technical support, and professional Mastercam training, which is automatically extended to every Mastercam user in Minnesota, Wisconsin, and the Dakotas.
We've had some medical parts come through with some very, very tight tolerances, true positions of the 1,000s neighborhood across a 16, 18-inch span. Diameters that were critical. Using Mastercam, we were able to overcome the challenges of that difficult part that others were not able to achieve.
Smart manufacturing shops need extremely reliable partners with consistent dedication to help them reach a level of excellence that stands them apart from all others. Pace Industries is a Mastercam shop, supported and trained by Prototech. Combining that talent together is a good example of how manufacturing success can be a very achievable goal.